Hi guys, welcome back to Alimento kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make Nigerian fried rice, perfect for Christmas celebrations. For this recipe, we'll need our washed rice, mixed vegetables like carrots, green beans, green pepper, green peas, spring onions, liver, onions, fresh pepper, yellow pepper, and chicken stock. I started by heating oil in a pot, then I added onions, thyme, curry powder, ginger and garlic powder, chicken spices, fried rice spice, seasoning cubes. Then I poured in my washed rice, chicken stock, fresh pepper and mixed everything together. Then I added some water and allowed to cook. I heated some oil in a pan, then I added my veggies, liver, seasoning cubes and spices, then stir fried. Then I mixed everything together and gently stir until well combined. Finally, I added spring onions for freshness and give it a final mix. Our fried rice is ready! Serve with fried chicken or any protein of your choice. Will you be trying this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more festive recipes. Bye!